Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to sell on MetaTrader 5. So the first thing that you need to know is select right here what you want to trade, and you can do this by simply clicking on click add and then search for the thing that you want to buy. And with thing I mean a share or a currency or whatever you want. So let's do right now here a Tesla share. So we want to buy Tesla, enter. Right now we throw this to our chart right here. And now we can buy or sell some Tesla. So what we're going to do from here is we go now to new order. Select right here how much we want to buy. I want to buy one Tesla share. And then right now you can add a take profit or a stop loss on it if you want to do that. But then from now, the thing that you need to do is just click right here on sell. And this is how we create ourselves a sell, aka a short position right here on Tesla. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.